Hello guys and welcome back. And right now as I'm filming this, it seems that Bitcoin has a correction, and on the weekly I see something interesting. It dropped 2.45, meanwhile Ethereum 0.63. On daily it dropped 0.76 and Ethereum dropped 0.6, and on hourly chart 0.43 and Ethereum 0.39. And let's see something here. Since the start of the year, where is it, January, let's go to monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, here we go. It should have started here. The month started here. So basically, yeah, there we go. Let's see. So since the start of the year, we dropped about 37% on Ethereum, and right now it's up again. We dropped a little bit more, and let's see something on Bitcoin, but we are talking about what's happening on the current day, not the lowest point. And I want to see Bitcoin started here. Let's take it here. So basically the same time frame, it dropped 28%, and since let's say second quarter, so we got June, July, and now we are in August. In the second quarter, the third quarter, we see a drop now on Bitcoin. We stand at -15, and on Ethereum we stand at let's wait. So where is it? Here, there we go. So we stand at -7%. So the third quarter has delivered us -7% on Ethereum, and the minus let's check it again. A -15 was it on Bitcoin? Let's see. Yeah. So basically, Bitcoin dropped twice as hard as Ethereum, and that means we should have, in my opinion, an alt season now before another Bitcoin halving. Not of course before the Bitcoin halving, but also I meant before another Bitcoin all-time high. We might have an alt season first this time, and there are a few reasons for this, and one of them is we had a new all-time high on Bitcoin, but we didn't have an alt season. And another one is we already have regulation and everything and ETFs on Bitcoin, but we don't have the Clarity Act and the peace now, and the rates, we don't have them down. And there are a lot of reasons that you can find why we should have an altcoin season first now. And let's check the chances of Fed cutting rates, which they want. Of course, I'm still betting on hold for the next Fed meeting, even though right now the chances for a hike are at 67%. I believe they will go down, and we will have another hold. And that's because the big banks are betting on this, and it makes sense. And we might have a surprise, but I'm 85% sure that this one will go up and we will have a hold. Now let's see what is happening in the crypto industry. I was reading here while I was thinking. So Strategy, the company led by Michael Saylor, has approved a plan which allows it to sell up to 5 billion in Bitcoin if it deems necessary as part of its new capital management strategy. The company specified that this authorization does not mean it will sell Bitcoin immediately, but rather it will provide the flexibility to use a portion of its reserves. So this is a rumor that will spark a drop, which it does right now. If you check the, when did it, he posted this today? I don't see the time. Oh yes, 5:25. So basically 3 hours ago. And if you go on hourly chart, yeah, 4 hours ago we started going down, and maybe there were also rumors here. So anyway, this is a sign of a bottom, and the sign that we should have an alt season. How would it be if Michael Saylor would buy, instead of Bitcoin, would start buying Ethereum or even Solana or XRP? Why not? That would be very interesting, wouldn't it? So yeah, let's keep an open mind and go to the next post. So something extremely bad is coming on Monday. Most people are still completely unprepared for what will happen next. The Iran conflict is now entering the most dangerous phase. Trump has already ordered strikes against Iran in the coming days, according to the WSJ. They will begin as early as this weekend. So now it's Sunday as I'm talking, and probably Monday morning you will see the video. And the thing is, once this ends and once the other conflicts end, the Fed will have to cut the rates, and we will see an alt season, like a really nice one. I believe that. I'm putting the dots together, and that's my idea. Now, am I crazy? Maybe. Am I right? Also maybe. So you have to do your own research. Let's read this one from Look on Chain. It looks like a mysterious trader is going long on Fartcoin. Trader this opened a 2x long of 16.73 million on Fartcoin. Will we have another meme season? It's going to be interesting. So 2x leverage on a meme coin is basically a donation with extra steps, size says conviction, but the limit order says hedging. Classic whale mind games. So let's check the Fart coin right now. I was thinking to buy some Pengu. Or is this the wrong one? I'm not. Yeah, this should be the right one. So it seems to have had a bottom here, like a double bottom, or even a, yeah, I would call it a double bottom here. It had a higher low, which if you could have leveraged it here, and could have made, let's say you went with the 10x, you could have made 70% around like that if you would have hold it until here. If you wouldn't, maybe 58% or 60%, which is a decent trade. We are on hourly chart. If you look on daily chart, it's not like a big move. It's a very tiny move on hourly chart. So let's go to the next one. Binance founder CZ just posted this. We might be in a bear market, but there is a lot of money looking for things to invest in. So once they acknowledge that we are in a bear market, it means usually that the bear market is over or almost over. That's from my experience. So take it with a grain of salt, but I'm just talking with my experience, and if if it happens that I'm right, I will, you know, I will go with my beliefs. I will do what I believe. But yeah, some people might not agree with me, but that's my skeptical experience opinion, let's say. And let's go to the next one, but also leave your opinions in the comment section, because that's really important also for me and for the algorithm, but also for me to have something to talk about and to gain more experience at the end of the day. If you inform yourself, if even if people are wrong, it's important to talk with more people to hear more opinions. So yeah, let's just have a discussion in the comment section, and yeah, let's read the last one. So, breaking. The White House is reportedly reviewing the final bipartisan Clarity Act deal today. Turn notifications on. Now, I believe they will still keep us for a while waiting for this, but eventually they will approve it, and they will go with it. And when that happens, we might also see an end to the conflicts, and we might see. So, for me, that's basically the whole reason for the new Altseason, that the Clarity Act plus the end of the conflicts will equal also rate cuts, and then we will have the Altseason. When will it happen? It might happen as soon as this Christmas or in the spring. Pick which one you think, but I'm DCAing. I'm going to DCA right now, and until as long as I can. That's my job exit strategy. So I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.